Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I lifted my roots. This was my first time doing it. I just wanted to try doing it at home. I'm learning that being a blonde is very high maintenance if you are a natural brunette. So I just figured I would give it a shot and see what I could do by myself at home. So I figured I would record it and take you guys along on the ride with me. This was my first time doing this by myself at home, and I definitely don't recommend that you do this by yourself without talking to a professional first. I do have two aunts that are professional hairstylists and a stepmom or a soon-to-be stepmom that is also a professional hairstylist that actually did the blonde in my hair. But like I said, I am figuring out that being a blonde as a natural brunette is a little bit high maintenance. So I figured I would give it a shot and see what I could do by myself at home. Since I do have 3 kids, it is hard for me to get out of the house very often and go to the salon for several hours. So before we jump into this video, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel down below and hit the bell notification next to that so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I normally post makeup related videos, but today I figured I would take you guys on this journey through fixing my hair. If you want to see how I did this, then go ahead and keep on watching. I'm going to be using the Ion Color Brilliance Permanent Hair Color. This is the High Lift in Ash Blonde, and that is what the package looks like on that. And then with that, I'm going to be using the Ion Sensitive Scalp 30 Volume Developer, and that's what that looks like. I also have some gloves, a brush, and a little dish. So I'll be using 2 ounces of color and 4 ounces of developer, and this is just 4 ounces. So I'm going to use all of this, and then 2 ounces of color, and this is 2.05 ounces. So I'm going to use almost all of this. And whenever I toned my hair last, I used the Wella toners, and it smelled super strong, and so far this doesn't smell as strong as that. It actually smells kind of good, so that's a plus. Okay, now it's getting strong. And this is far too much for my hair. I already know that. But this is my first time doing this, so we'll see how it goes. Now I'm just going to mix it all up. And this is the consistency that it is all mixed up. It kind of looks like mayonnaise. This is what my hair is looking like right now, and it might not seem that bad, but all of this right here to about right here is roots, because I toned my hair so it lifted the roots that was there before, and now they're just kind of like an orangey color. So I'm going to go ahead and start applying this on my roots as best as I can get it. Oh, I'm so nervous. So I'm just going to start applying this at my roots. Making sure it goes all the way down to the bleached part, but I'm not going to overlap it. So I've got it all over the roots now, and this is how much product I still have left. There's still quite a bit. I could probably do that like 3 times with that amount of stuff. So it says to let it process for 30 to 45 minutes, so I'm just going to keep an eye on it. It looks like it is lifting pretty well at this point. So I'm going to let it process for a little bit, keep my eye on it, and then wash it out, and I will show you guys the results. I will come back and check in with you guys right before I rinse it out. This has now been developing for about 30 minutes now, so I think I'm going to go rinse it out. This is what it is looking like right now. So I'm gonna go wash it out, and I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. So I just washed it all out, and then whenever I conditioned it, I left the conditioner in for about 10 minutes before rinsing that out with cold water. This is what it is looking like wet. Doesn't look too bad, I don't think. Then again, I'm not a professional. So now I'm just going to blow dry my hair, and we will see how it comes out. This is the end result. I think that it turned out pretty darn good for my first time. You can definitely still see that the roots are darker. So I wish that I could blend that a little bit better. But other than that, I think it turned out pretty good. So if I'm wearing my hair up in a ponytail, I don't really know what the back looks like. I think the back is a little bit darker, but I did do that last. But I do think that for doing it by myself for the very first time at home, it is not too bad. And it is definitely something that I'll probably keep up with. I'll probably figure out how to blend that a little bit better. But it might just be because my natural hair is so dark, and all of this that you see is bleach. And I'm definitely not willing to put bleach on my hair. That's just not something that I'm willing to do. I'll tone my hair, I will do this high lift on my roots, but I won't put bleach on my hair. If you like this video, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel down below if you have not already. Also, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.